Dr. Francisco Luis Gomes was a great intellectual in the 19th century, and he was also a physician, and also he represented Goa in the Portuguese Parliament. And also, Sir said about his freedom contribution to the Indian freedom. He started a speech much before Indian National Congress was born. So he was one of the first people from India to talk about freedom. And also, he fought against discrimination. He was always against oppression. And today we are proud that we are able to organize this as a state function. So sir, from next year we are planning to organize a very bigger function at the same place. And thank you everyone for coming. Thank you.
Since this is the first official program of the government of Goa to celebrate the birth anniversary of Dr. Francisco Gomes. पण जेन्ना कलेक्टरान सांगिल्लें की इलेक्शन कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट आहा कांय करूं जायना म्हणटकूच तरी आसतना फादरान हिंगा ऑर्केस्ट्रा हाडलें आमची नावेलींची माणकां मोतयां हांवें सांगिल्लें तेमकां दुसरे फावटी दे विल बी कंपोजिंग द मांडो ऑन डॉक्टर फ्रांसिस गॉमेज. In fact, we got, and we will record it and we will preserve it here for the posterity. So हांव फादरा देव बरें करूं म्हणटा, तांकांय देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. तुमकां सगल्यांक कित्याक सगळे मोगान आपुरबायेन हिंग येयले. आमचे फ्रीडम फायटर्स एसोसिएशनाचो अध्यक्ष आहा, फ्रीडम फायटर आहाय, तांकांय सगल्यांक आभार मानता, देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. कित्याक हो दुसरो कार्यक्रम तांचो पयलो मडगांव जाला, मागीर हिंग जाला, मुद्दम ते हांगासर आयले आनी तुमी सगळे आयले. हेच भाशेन फुडाराक तुमचो आदार आनी सहकार आमकां दिवचो. हांव जाणा PWD सांगलो हांवें जाता जाल्यार हिंगा शामियाना घाल म्हणलो कलेक्टरान आपली ऑर्डर दिली. कलेक्टर म्हणटा इलेक्शन कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट. म्हज्यानी एक समज जाता, डेथ एनिवर्सरी विल बी ऑन 30th of September. इनफॅक्ट आतां हांव कलेक्टराक सांगतालो, Dr. Francisco Luis Gomes had started the concept of national freedom for India 35 years before the Indian National Congress was born. In fact, he died at Porbandar in the sea on 30th September. And 2 days thereafterwards, on 2nd October, the father of the nation was born. So it is a matter of great pride. We are very proud sons and daughters of Navelim because such a great personality. He was known as a prince of intellectuals. He was born in this sacred land of Navelim. So next time, father will be the chairman of the organization, and we want at least 10,000 students here to be present. Only thing we'll have to put up a pandal and shamiana. We can't keep this in this hot sun. Anybody can get a stroke because these days everybody is getting brain strokes and heart attacks. So I don't want such thing to happen. So once again, thank you very much for having been present over here, especially the freedom fighters. We are honored that they have come over here, and we are honored that all of you have come. Thank you very much.